Hi everyone, welcome to Momuscraft. Today we'll learn how to create a foam hat. Time ago we made a paper cardboard hat, but this time we'll create a more elaborate one. To create it we are going to use mainly large black foam and red foam, or the colors you want for your hat. We are also going to download and print the templates on paper cardboard. So you have the link in the description and in the comments. There you can choose between the standard size or child size. And if it's your first time here, you can also see how to cut the pieces and how to fold them. As you can see, here we already have our pieces cut out. I still need to fold the flaps since first we are going to prepare the pieces. We'll glue piece 2 with piece 1, then piece 3, and finally piece 4. We'll glue this big piece that we have just created in black foam. To glue it, you can use hot silicone or liquid silicone. Do not forget to put glue on the flaps to completely join the piece to the foam. We are doing this to make the pieces rigid and create a sturdy hat. The next thing will be to join piece 5 with piece 6 to form a circle. And then also we'll add glue and stick it in black foam. For pieces 7, 8, and 9, we are going to use red foam. To make this part easier, I recommend you cut free strips 3 centimeters wide, because with them we'll form the ribbon around the hat. Now we'll continue joining piece 11 with piece 10, then piece 12 with piece 13, and to finish we'll join these two parts. Now we'll tape the edges of this big piece to cut it out. This part will be the brim of the hat, so we'll need 2 of these parts. Later you will see why. As you can see, here we already have the foam pieces ready to assemble the hat. For this part, I will use hot silicone. First we'll put glue to join these 2 edges and form the body of the hat. Then we'll put glue on these flaps to add the circular piece. For this part, I recommend you to be careful to glue the piece as well as possible and not hurt yourself with the hot silicone. At the end it would look like this. Now we'll add the brim of the hat. So as we did before, we'll add glue on these flaps and join this part little by little. Like the video if you like how it turns out and subscribe so you don't miss out on future designs. The next thing will be to add this other part to cover the flaps that are on the hat. So we'll add glue throughout this area and glue this part to finish the figure. We still need the final detail of the hat. For this we'll join the ends of the pieces forming a ribbon that we'll add around the hat. And now we have our foam hat finished. Remember that you can download any template from the channel without ads and support this content by joining Premium Momuscraft. Thank you very much for watching the video.